Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Family Nutrition Program, and today we are making a fruity cheese roll-up snack. This is an easy snack that your kids can do, and it has minimal ingredients. I've already washed our cooking surfaces and our fresh produce and my hands, so I'm all ready to get started. The first ingredient is 2 tablespoons of reduced fat cottage cheese, and this is just the small curd. Then we have a tablespoon of nuts. We use some almonds. You can use pecans, any kind of nuts that you may have on hand. And then a couple tablespoons of fruit. We've got blueberries. You could use canned fruit, fresh fruit. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our whole wheat tortilla. So we've got our added fiber in our tortilla. It's a great way to get some whole grains in, and spread our reduced fat cottage cheese onto the tortilla. And this is something the kids could help do, this part right here. I'm just using a butter knife. Spread that cottage cheese all over, and then sprinkle our fresh fruit and our nuts on top. And then you're just gonna roll it up like a burrito. Cut it in half, and we are ready to go. This snack covers all the bases. You've got your plant-based protein with your nuts, your fruit, your calcium-rich cottage cheese, and your whole grain with our whole wheat tortilla. And doesn't this look great? I'm gonna take a little bite. That would be a great snack to make with the kids sometime this summer. Thanks so much.